Hi everybody, my name is Jim Johansson and today I'm going to show you how you can share files or folders located on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform with external stakeholders to ensure that they have access to the latest information. Simply select the file or folder you want to share and then at the very top bar, click the arrow pointing downwards and select Share. In the dialog box that appears, select the Share by Link option and then click to activate the link. Optionally, you can check the Restricted to checkbox and enter the email to each and every stakeholder to ensure that only the people with these emails can use the link to access the content. Then click Copy Link and finally add close the dialog box. You can now paste the link into an email or a chat and send it to the stakeholders to ensure that they can access the files you just shared with them.